Hey there! This is a quick tech where we learn together one step at a time. Today, I'm excited to kick off a comprehensive Google Sheets tutorial series with you. In this first episode, we're going back to basics. What exactly is Google Sheets and why do so many people rely on it every day? Whether you're completely new or just curious, this episode will give you the basic understanding of what this powerful tool can actually do for you. Here is something that might interest you. That intimidating grid of empty cells you're staring at, it's about to become your weapon. I'm talking about the kind of tool that makes your friends ask,
"How did you organize all this so quickly?"
The same tool that turns a chaotic pile of numbers into crystal clear insights in just minutes. Look, I get it. You've probably opened Google Sheets before, seen all those rows and columns stretching what seems to be endless, and thought, this looks powerful, but where do I even start? Maybe you've watched someone effortlessly create a budget that updates itself, or seen a colleague track an entire project with what seemed like magic. You might even have a specific goal in mind, let's say finally getting your finance organized, planning that big family event, or even building skills for a career in data analysis where spreadsheet mastery is essential. If you are nodding along right now, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're starting a journey together, not just learning software, but gaining a genuine life skill that saves time, reduces stress, and honestly opens doors professionally. In this video, we'll cover the absolute basics, what Google Sheet is, and why millions rely on it. Consider this your foundation before we dive deeper into advanced concepts. We're taking small, purposeful steps to build your skills. So this is the first episode in a series designed to help you master Google Sheets one step at a time. Once more episodes go live, you can jump into whichever fits your level. So to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and other tech tips, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. What is Google Sheet? Let's start with the basics. Think of it as a super smart digital grid organized in neat rows and columns. Each little box in that grid is called a cell. And here is where it gets interesting. Each cell can hold text, numbers, dates, or even formulas that do calculations automatically. It's designed specifically for organizing, calculating, and analyzing data. That's what makes it different from a regular document. Now, you might be wondering, why Google Sheets specifically? Well, here is what makes it brilliant. First, it's completely free. No subscription, no hidden costs, just your regular Google account. Second, it lives in the cloud, which means you can access your work from anywhere. Your laptop at home, your phone on the train, your tablet at a coffee shop. Everything syncs automatically, so no more emailing files to yourself or panicking about losing work. But here is my favorite part. Collaboration is effortless. Share a sheet with your family, your team, your study group, and everyone can work on it simultaneously. You literally see change happening in real time. It's like having a digital workspace that everyone can contribute to seamlessly. Oh yeah, it also saves everything automatically, so you don't have to worry about hitting save. And you can access all this from anywhere, from any device. Alright, let's get practical. What can you actually accomplish with Google Sheets that will genuinely improve your daily life? Budget tracking that actually works. Instead of wondering where your money disappeared to, you set up categories, track spending as it happens, and instantly see what is left. It calculates totals, shows percentages, and even warns you when you are overspending. Inventory tracking. Whether that's products in a small business, books in your personal library, or supplies for your hobby. You can track quantities, cost, location, and get alerts when you are running low. Event planning becomes a breeze too. Planning a wedding, organizing a family reunion, or coordinating a community event. You can track RSVPs, assign tasks, manage supplies, all in one shared document that updates everyone instantly. On top of that, for those interested in data analysis career, this is your foundation. Pull in sales data, website stats, or survey results, And Google Sheets can instantly create professional charts and identify trends. Many data analyst roles start with exactly these skills. Once you start thinking in a spreadsheet mode, you will see opportunities everywhere to organize and analyze information that matters to you. Over the next few videos, we are building your skills systematically. We will progressively cover more advanced features that will transform how you work with data. Each episode builds on the previous one, so no experience is required. And I will explain everything as we go. See you in the next one. Peace.